Hello my legal scholars, Legal Fox here, and I'm joined once again by the marvelous Mermaid Charlotte, aka the Mermaid Lawyer. And today we'll be doing another installment of Scales and Tales of Justice. We'll be talking about how the Starbucks sexy siren logo caused quite a stir in foreign seas. Also, how coffee companies brewed up heated trademark legal battles.
People often confuse mermaids with sirens. The key difference is that according to Greek mythology, a siren is a half woman depicted with two tails.
And in case you were wondering what a siren looks like with those two tails, it's like
this. Now that we know the difference between the two, let's discuss the world's most famous siren. This siren uses the scent of coffee to lure men and women alike. Although this siren is known all around the world, in Saudi Arabia, Starbucks changed its logo from a siren with a crown and her tails raised upward to a crown floating on top of water without the forbidden female form. As a company that is entering many international markets, Starbucks was very sensitive to local religious customs, social norms, and laws.
Saudi Arabia follows Islamic law, or Sharia law, which generally frowns upon the use of animals and humans as images. Thankfully, Saudi Arabia relaxed its policies and the siren resurfaced.
This next case involves a tale or tales of two sirens. An Alaskan-based company, Mountains and Mermaids, filed a trademark application for the mark Siren's Brew.
The company uses this mark on their merchandise and separately uses the slogan, "A siren needs her morning coffee before a day of wrecking ships and drowning men."
Shortly after Mountains and Mermaids submitted their application, Starbucks filed an application for the trademark Siren's Blend and opposed the Siren's Brew application.
The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, argued that the name Siren's Blend will likely cause consumer confusion with Mountains and Mermaids' previously filed Siren's Brew trademark application.
However, Starbucks argues that consumers have associated the siren image and the word siren with Starbucks for nearly 50 years. And the fact that they filed their trademark application after Mountains and Mermaids does not hold water.
So what's the current status? As of 2021, Starbucks' application for Siren's Blend has been suspended until the legal proceedings are resolved. As for Starbucks' opposition to the Siren's Brew trademark, the parties are still trying to settle after several years. By now, they must be drowning in legal fees. No stranger to trademark disputes and mythological creatures, in our next case, Starbucks found itself locking unicorn horns with a local Brooklyn coffee shop named The End.
The End was selling a health-conscious drink that they called Unicorn Latte, which consisted of bright colors, sprinkles, and changing colors.
Seeing as the new creation made quite the splash, The End's parent company, Montauk Juice, filed a trademark registration for Unicorn Latte. Not long after, Starbucks began selling Frappuccinos with a similar unicorn design called Unicorn Frappuccino.
Montauk Juice took legal action against Starbucks, stating that its beverage was highly similar in name and it also shared visual similarities to their Unicorn Latte. They were both brightly colored and featured the colors pink and blue. The pirated beverage was designed to eclipse their Unicorn Latte.
However, Starbucks responded that The End's claims are wrong, since Starbucks Unicorn Frappuccino is no longer being offered. Plus, it's made with milk and artificial sweeteners, whereas The End's latte is made with dates, ginger root, cashews, and blended with healthy dried maca root, vanilla bean, and blue-green algae. That sounds so good. My mouth is watering.
Nevertheless, The End requested a public apology and filed an injunction to receive damages, specifically in the form of the profits generated by Starbucks Unicorn Frappuccino. But in the end, they were able to resolve the conflict confidentially, with both sides stating that they were very happy to move on.
And I guess that's the end of this episode. Catch our other videos for more tantalizing takes on the law. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. See you later, my legal scholars.
Catch you on the flip side.